After a hiatus of almost 3 years, Redmi is back with a brand new K series smartphone, the Redmi K50i, and I'm telling you all about it. Starting with the form factor. Redmi K50i's design is in line with Xiaomi's devices we see today. It sports a plastic body and weighs just 200 grams. You get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor on the device. Moving on to the display. You get a 6.6-inch FHD LCD display on the phone with a max refresh rate of 144Hz. The display has a peak brightness of 650 nits and supports HDR10 along with Dolby Vision. Also, there are stereo speakers on the device. The K50i is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 8100 SOC. It runs on Android 12 with MIUI skin. It gets a triple rear main camera. The main camera is a 64-megapixel shooter which is paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The main camera can shoot 4K videos at 30 FPS. Selfie camera is a 16-megapixel shooter. It packs a 5080 mAh battery and supports 67-watt fast charging. The K50i is available in two variants. The base variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at Rs 25,999, and another variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is priced at Rs 28,999. Our full review is now live at businessinsiderindia.in. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.